Hello A-level physics people. Now you are no doubt aware that there are many derivations that you need to be familiar with as you go through A-level physics. And what I've done is I've chosen what I think are 40 of the most important derivations and I've put them all in one place over at alevelphysicsonline.com. So there are downloadable resources that you can download yourself. In actual fact, there are so many of them. There's even more on the desk in front of me. And for each of these sheets, what I've worked through is how I would approach that derivation myself. Now, I've done it using different colours. Hopefully you can see here for this one for simple harmonic motion, that if you start with a displacement time graph, if you differentiate that twice with respect to time, we can show how A is related to x, the displacement, and therefore A is proportional to minus x, the defining equation for simple harmonic motion. Now on the website you can download this sheet to help you as you're revising, but there's also a couple of other worksheets, one of them with a little bit more support than the other, that you can use as you practice this derivation, because often these come up in past exams and any future exams that you might be having as well. There's also, of course, a video where I explain my derivation and where some of the physics comes from, and that's because I make physics videos. Now, if that video isn't enough, I have even more videos over at A-Level Physics Online where I do go through a lot of these derivations in a little bit more detail. So yeah, derivations, they are important. If you'd like to download any of these resources, just head over to A-Level Physics Online.